We are going to be using a hot glue gun, a plastic snow globe, Jimmy Jim's confetti party ice, and some Christmas figurines. Let's begin by prepping our items. First, let's begin by removing the lid and taking out the base and the inside of the globe. Remove any other items that might be inside the globe as well and set it aside. Now let's open our Jimmy Jim's confetti party ice and pour it on a container. It's time to glue our figurines to the inside base of the snow globe. Be careful with the hot glue gun. Now pour some party ice inside the snow globe. Put the base inside the snow globe and twist the lid closed. That is it. Your snow globe is finished.